Gökyüzünde kara kara bulutlar bir türlü peşimizi bırakmıyor. Sisti, yağmurdu, buluttu. Ani harabelerine geldik arkadaşlar. Gördüğünüz gibi yağmur yağıyor. Yağmur yağdığı için biraz bekliyoruz. İçeri girelim mi, girmeyelim mi? Böyle bir kararsızız.
I was born and then orphaned by parents of sin, and the preachers and pastors were listening in. I was baptized with water the day it happened. Now I'm leaving my chains all behind. So they called up the neighbors to tell them the news. A young baby child that the world can abuse. I cried and I cried when they called it a ruse. Now I'm leaving my chains all behind. I had realized the night before the day I turned 7 that even if acting nice could get you to heaven, the earth that you live in will treat you like hell. So I'm leaving my chains all behind. Now I remember sadly the youth of my day. The minute they found out young Jacob was gay, they stoned him with words and they stuck him with trees. Now we're leaving our chains all behind.
Change can be good, no it don't make you weak. Someday you'll grow to a beautiful tree. How I want to sing under you. There's
Yeah, we're leaving our chains all behind.
Çok güzel bir çekim oldu arkadaşlar.
Keşfettik hani harabelerini.
Evet, güzel güzel izleyin. Gerçekten çok büyük bir yer. Çok büyük yani.